How to find Twitter X account by phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the X account or Twitter account on your device. Make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can see your profile at the top left corner of the screen. So just tap on that. Then at the very end, you can see the option of settings and privacy. So just tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And scroll down again and you can see the option of discoverability and contacts. So just tap on that, and here you can see that you have toggled on the option of let others find you by your email address and let others find you using your phone number. So you have toggled on these two options. Now if you want to find your friends, then you can also sync your address book contacts, so all the contacts that you have in your device will be also synced and you'll be able to find them. So you just have to toggle them on, and then you'll be able to find people or account by phone number. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.